go. Get my
I'm
stuff.
done.
Okay.
Wait, I need to stay here.
Oh, it's fine. Well, yeah. Gonna do that. I suppose I should get more than one sword. I suppose it doesn't matter though, because you can always go back and respawn point. All right.
I got a lot of respawn points.
Wow.
See?
Oh yeah, you do.
Can I go in
Boop.
now?
Boing, boing, boing. Oh wow.
Yeah. Whoa. Wow. Slime blocks.
This is new. See how colorful it is though?
Yeah.
Oh. Uh-oh.
I wasn't using my sword.
Well, you should have been.
That's on you.
But you're wearing armor.
Yeah, are we supposed to wear armor?
I'm
Or...
not on armor.
No?
No.
You look like it's on my string.
Nope. I have no armor on.
Oh, I found that now. That's him.
Oh wow. Oh my. Oh.
I couldn't eat.
What? You have... Oh no. No. You have bread. Hello. I won't attack you right away. You just... Hey, well maybe I will. Do you have a sword? Hit me. Where are you going? Whee! Here I come. Oh my. Oh, you're good at dodging. Oh wow. Oh no. Oh.
Parkour.
Wait. Oh, yes. There's lots of parkour in here. What? That was not fair. I didn't know about that at all. You knew about that. That wasn't fair. That wasn't cool. I didn't like that at all. So where was that spot again? Was it like right here? No. Oh, right here. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Right here, boy. Oh. Oh.
You gotta run it.
Boing.
Run and boing.
Run and boing. Where are you? Where'd you go? Hey. Da-da-da-da-da. Wait, where are you? You're down here somewhere. Da-da. Uh-oh. You must be creepy. Wait. There you are. I see you. You moved. Oh, no. Oh. Where's Daddy? I see Daddy. Oh, sorry.
Ow.
What? Who? Oh, it wasn't me. Good. Oh. Uh-oh. You're out. That makes me very, very angry.
That's copyright.
Come back here.
Nope.
Your helmet's shiny. I want it.
Me
So I can touch my head.
No.
I want it.
Get him. Oh.
I want your helmet.
No.
Off with your... Wait, you can... Oh, look at you go.
I thought that too. Yeah.
Hey, what the? I was trying to kill Daddy!
I offended his death.
I didn't die.
He didn't die.
How's that one half heart?
I saved him.
Well,
no. No. Oh my god! Shh, 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 shh. It's okay. Oh my
Who's
gosh.
that in the squealing pig?
Oh my god. Quentin, it's okay.
And he's broken.
And he's broken. Hello. What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
This.
Bye.
What the?
Bye.
Well, I don't like that. Hey, what? Oh.
I said bye.
Yeah, no.
What did you fall? What?
What did you
Did you
fall?
fall from parkour?
No. Ah.
You made it. Hey, cool. Doing-
Oh, you're not up here.
Nope, not anymore. That was cool.
I thought both of you.
Oh.
No.
Oh. I killed him.
And I killed you. Maybe.
Yeah, no, Daddy did.
Hi.
Check out behind you.
Nothing.
So I'm nothing. Thank you so much. Well, Daddy avenged your death, so there you go. But I'm coming too. Nope. Uh-oh. Aw, dude. Wow. What the? You don't have armor on, do you?
Nope.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Oh, who did that?
Wasn't me.
No, it wasn't either.
Who is you up here? Mommy, come here.
Come here, why?
Yeah, that's something people do right away. I have
Wow.
a sword with your name on it. Come here.
Bye.
Yeah, I can follow you, you know.
Bye.
Hello? Why couldn't I hear you?